A shocking fact: 78% of homeowners are unaware of the important things we highlight in this video. This infomercial video will reveal how we can assist you. Keep watching and you'll thank me later.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Dave and welcome to the R Network overview. Tonight we're going to have some fun. We're going to talk about some incredible technology and what our network has actually brought to the marketplace. It's pretty exciting, so hang on and buckle up. First of all, I'm just going to introduce you to our Rev Card. It's a technology that is just mind-blowing and exciting to watch because it's something that's going to change the way that all of us spend money and save money.
We're about to change your financial world. Is it cool? Yeah. Is it convenient? Absolutely. Will it change the way you live? We think so. Welcome to our network's new Rev Card, the best card you will ever own, the last card you'll ever need. Check out the packed technology of the Rev Card. 1.73-inch OLED touchscreen, dynamic EMV chip, biometric print reader, charging points, mic, speaker, Bluetooth antenna, same thickness as a standard card. So, what does this technology mean for you? 1. RevCard is partnered with over 300,000 businesses, from hotels to restaurants to retail stores. Names like Hilton, Marriott, Cold Stone, Domino's, Famous Footwear, Subway, and more. 2. Receive discounts with a single swipe. No need to search for coupon codes or shop for deals. RevCard recognizes where you're at and shares relevant offers. 3. Load multiple cards onto the RevCard and consolidate everything into one. Gift cards, store loyalty cards, bank cards, and more. Simply choose which card to use and complete your purchase. 4. Earn points and rewards on every transaction, then redeem at nearly 1 million merchants. 5. Protect it with 4 times the security. RevCard is packed with a biometric fingerprint reader, GPS, and a cellular chip. 6. Need to split dinner or send cash to a friend? Easy enough. Instantly transfer money to any RevCard holder. 7. Pay bills, direct deposit, shop online, all on Rev. 8. Deposit or withdraw cash in over 1 million ATM locations. Now for the best part. As a charter member of our network, not only will you earn rewards and discounts on your own RevCard purchase, but you'll earn every time someone in your network swipes. So don't wait. Become a charter member and start earning today.
What an incredible opportunity that we have. It's incredible technology. I know the first time I saw that, I was so attracted to it. If you're like me, that's what it did to me. It really got me excited about the new technology. This is our corporate office here in Provo, Utah. And they just decorated it. It's actually really coming along. So we'll be putting some interior photos on there for you. You can see that here for those that are not local here. Well, let's meet the creators. These are the creators, the 5 creators. You've got Roger Taylor, Trent Walker, you've got Richard Smith, Kevin Wiscombe, and Troy Muhlestein. So it all started with Richard's vision and what he's been wanting to do for years and years and years. And finally, we have got the dream team for the creators here. And to pick out one of them in particular that I want to talk about is Trent Walker. Here's a guy who brought forth the technology of what it is that we're doing, and the entire backbone of what we're doing is created by Mr. Trent Walker. So you need to learn more about him and some of his bio, and it is available to you. And if you want more of that information, get back with the person who referred you to this video, and they can send that to you. We're open in 63 plus countries around the world already. It's got started. It's pretty amazing, and what an incredible opportunity for all of us to be able to share this opportunity with people around the world and really change one household at a time financially, if you think about it. Because it's not only going to earn income, but it's going to save income also. And you're going to learn that tonight. So our goal is to help you save more than you pay. And the question is will you continue to pay? Of course you will. is actually what helps the retention of people staying in your network. How incredible is that? So our first product that I want to review with you tonight is the Rev Retail Rewards app. Now, what this is it talked about a little bit on the video, and it's our strategic loyalty rewards partners. There's 375,000 offers and over 600,000 merchants around the world. No need to search for the coupon codes, because what happens? The Rev card picks up the GPS signal and recognizes exactly where you're at and produces the relevant offers that you're needed for you at that place. Also, it has a wholesale travel discounts with Marriott, Hilton, and different types of travel throughout the world that can save you money. Again, our goal is to save you money on an everyday basis with something that you're already going to be spending money on anyway by using the Rev account. So that's a pretty cool thing. And that's actually launching June 22nd of 2019, coming up here very shortly. The next product is what we call our FDIC insured bank. It's our Rev account. This is actually a real bank. This is a actual bank. So the account isn't new, or the account is new. It's a decentralized way to bank, but it's not a new bank. It's one of the largest online banks, and it's been operating for years and years. They're just adding some new services and getting ready for major expansion, and that's what's coming, and that's why it's kind of timelined out to come about in the next 60 days. You'll also be able to access this account through an app, just like you can with your everyday bank. You'll have a person-to-person transfer that you can do, where you can literally beam the money right back and forth with each other. Pretty cool, as you heard in the video. The Rev account is the bank account, so be setting yourself up in an actual bank account. It'll have all the banking services, just like checking, bill pay, debit cards, loans, mortgages, etc., all those kinds of things. So it's an actual bank. The next product is going to be our Rev card. Now, this will be rolling out in 2020 in January. And again, just to highlight some of the features of the card, one is the money transfer card to card, which is kind of cool. I can have my wife beam me some money. That's kind of fun. And it stores all the cards in one. Your membership card, your Visa card, your Discovery cards, your loyalty cards, your reward cards, all in one easy-to-use platform location, so you can leave that big fat wallet at home. It's got magnetic strips, so you can swipe it. It's also got the MV chip, so you can chip it, and which is where everything's going in the world today. The biometric security, that's cool. It's just like your phone, where you actually open it up with using your fingerprint. It's got a color LED screen, touch screen, just exactly like your cell phone, and Bluetooth connection with cellular chip, full PCI compliant. If you misplace it, it'll actually erase all your personal information, and it'll also notify you that you left me behind. So that's kind of cool. It's gonna buzz your phone, so it'll let you know. That's an awesome feature. Now, once you actually get it back, you enter in your PIN, you resync it, and it's all back on the card again. So you're ready to go. And it is attached to the Rev app and the Rev account. Like I said, that will be coming out in January of 2020. Now, the most question that we get asked is, how do I get started in making money? Well, pretty simple. First of all, you enroll as a charter member. You enroll for $38. That's all it costs you right now. The subscription's $38 per month. Now, that's a special right now, because normally it's going to be $68. So right now there's a code, a promotion code that you can get from the person who referred you to get it at $38. So you'll get to enjoy the R Network member benefits. There's going to be several benefits that'll be coming out here that you'll see that you'll be able to be a part of. You get to build a team of charter members and earn commissions on that team. And so here's how it kind of looks. The first goal that you want to shoot for is to get your Me and 3 bonus. This means that you enroll 3 charter members and teach them to do the same thing, because we want everybody making money, right? Now, our primary goal at the Me in 3 bonus is to help you pay for the subscription, your monthly subscription of $38. So here's how it works. You earn $11 a month on each of your first 3 personally enrolled charter members. Okay? And so then the next goal is to, and this is a big goal for most people, this is what you need to do. Get your 10 in the pen. Why? Because this is the ultimate goal. You get your 10 in the pen and you help everybody else do the same. And by doing that, every single time that you enroll a personal charter member, it unlocks the tier of the compensation plan in the matrix. And you'll kind of see that as we go to the next screen here. Now, the team building structure, which we refer to as the TBS, is a 3x10 matrix. It's composed of 3 teams or legs and 10 tiers. Now, each personally enrolled charter member, like I said, will unlock the tier in the TBS system for you. Okay? Now, it does fill back and forth, right to left, left to right. And what it does is, as it continues to work here, after enrolling your first 3 people, you can earn up to $2.50 for every person in your TBS, whether you enroll them or not. That means that other people that are enrolling people in, you're getting paid off of that also on each qualified tier. Okay? Now, once the card has been issued, you will also receive a commission every single time anyone in your organization within the matrix uses the Rev card. How cool is that? So they pay their mortgage, they pay their car payment, they pay their bills, they go out to eat, they go on a vacation, they do whatever with that card, spending money. Those swipes get put into the TBS system and everybody gets paid. Now, if you want more details on a detailed compensation plan, we will have a PDF document that you can download or a video that you can watch that's a little bit more in depth, that you can learn a little bit more about the compensation. But guys, isn't that excited? Isn't that exciting? I mean, I know that I'm excited about it. And I know that what this has done for people already, and I'm seeing it happening every single day, where people are just getting excited to be a part of something that can really make a difference in people's lives. So thank you again for tuning in and watching this short presentation, and hope you have a great night, and hope that you get back with the person who shared this with you and ask them to give you that code so you can get started with this right away.